In modern banking, speed and security are everything. We start with the customer's digital experience, viewing their financial overview, spending, and transaction history. Navigating to all accounts, we see their credit cards, including the Apex Rewards Visa, currently active. But what happens when an issue arises? The Talkdesk AI Agent immediately greets the customer. The conversation starts with a simple, natural language report. "I misplaced my Apex Rewards credit card at the airport." With Customer Experience Automation, CXA, the AI agent is instantly taking proactive action to secure the account. The agent pulls and provides the transaction details since the card was misplaced for the customer to review. This is where AI agent orchestration shines. The customer identifies the unrecognized transactions. The AI agent instantly coordinates specialized agents across core systems to secure the lost card and initiate a dispute. The dispute is processed successfully, eliminating the need for a transfer to a specialized human team. This automated workflow drastically reduces costs and improves resolution speed. With the unauthorized activity secured, the AI agent asks about a replacement. A simple "yes, please" triggers the final automated step. We see the real-time proof. The charges in the transaction history are marked disputed. Then, a replacement card appears in an inactive state, ready to be mailed. The lost card is clearly marked as locked and replaced. All these complex steps, deactivation, fraud review, dispute, and replacement, were all done in a single interaction. This is the future of service. Stop losing time to back and forth. Discover how Talkdesk AI agents can transform your complex banking journeys today.